Rose of Tralee 2024. Keely, you've done us proud. Escorts, get ready to stop dancing. Focus on the ladies. Quick point of interest, they were back-to-back All-Ireland champions, winning at Wexford again last week. The Rosebuds and the Rose Buddies. This is the future of the festival. I think Teresa is the support act.